guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Lady Lori. Miss Lady, Miss Lori, whatever, just don't call me late for dinner. I know, we've all heard that. It gets boring and it's stupid. But you know what? I was just sitting here and I want to put this thing away because I wanted to show you guys. This is my dusting, you know, like after you get done baking and you're going to get all this stuff off of your face. Yes, I know. That once in a while, a girl wants to let her hair down. This is what my hair looks like when it's not in a headband. This is it. And yeah, it's a lot. It can be a lot of fun. All you do is just take a squirt bottle of water, freshen it up after day 2. You know, hasn't been, you know, after the day 2 after washing. No, it just, this is what it does. It curls right back up again. Anyway, so years ago when I first did my channel and I was first interested in giving giveaways away, I was having giveaways on my channel back before YouTube had all kinds of strict rules. I ordered these and it was a whole bunch of them. It was like 40 some odd brushes, and I give them away because they're all packaged and everything like that, but they have my name on them. Check it out. I can't for the life of me find a bank statement or any kind of paperwork as to where the heck I got them, because this is the only one I have left and I use it. No, I take that back. I might have 3 left, you know, to put in giveaways. Once in a while, you might come across one of these in your giveaway boxes, and then you kind of go, oh, look at the pretty brush. That's a nice makeup brush. What? It's got her name on it. Yes, I had them made. And they are versatile. You can use them. They're not costume and, you know, that kind of stuff. So use them if you got them in your boxes. Those of you that have, trust me, they work fantastic. All right, you guys, let's get going. This is the IPSY Glam Bag, just the regular. IPSY is a month-to-month beauty bag subscription. This used to be $12. It is now $13. The prices and everything will be down below in the description box. Please use my code to sign up. It helps me out. It doesn't do you. Does nothing for you except for save you money, and it gets you a really good deal when you first sign up for your first month to check it out. You know what I mean? But look at the cute bags you get. You guys already saw Sassy's, but you know what? I don't care. This is mine. Besides that, I didn't do her hair like this. I know she's up there screaming, "Why didn't you do that for Greg?" Because I did it for my husband. You know, the husband. Anyway, this is the IPSY bag for February 2022. Yes, I do say the year. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's between you and her. It's got that cute. The hardware does have IPSY's name on it. I do like that it is metal. It's like a little rose gold. The only thing about this one, because the bags are getting smaller, I have noticed, is that the zipper is getting shorter. So getting stuff in there is a little bit more difficult to do. Now, you do get a card. It will look like this. It's going to be different themed every single month. Now, this information that I'm giving, I try to do it quick. I try to do it fast. But at the same time, don't worry about it. If you're new here and you're new to these beauty box subscriptions, information is always right down here on the bottom of your screen. It'll be on your left bottom. It's actually my right. It'll be on your left bottom. This one is called Full Hearts. Swoon over the real and totally unfiltered you. Yes, as she said, we don't filter this. This is the raw deal. This is us. Whether it's snapping a glam selfie, and Lord Almighty, she loves to do that, or cozying up with your favorite rom-com. I still don't know what that is, and I'm with her on that one because I really don't know what rom-com is. Treat this month as an invitation to fill your heart with that, with what you love. The husband. And for her, I think she's falling in love with Greg. Now, you guys do know that Greg is my husband's alter ego. I already explained it in that makeup video. I don't know where the name came from. I have friends that I went to high school and stuff like that I know that are Greg. I just don't, that rolled out of my mouth. Okay, on the back is some upcoming news. I'm not going to give it to you guys because I want to make sure I get there and get what needs to be got before it's all gotten away. Taken away. Yes, I am a stickler. I am stickler on English. So don't ever say, where is it at? No, don't ever end a sentence in a preposition. It isn't at anywhere. Okay, let's get going. Inside the card, I'm seeing a lot of people that did not get this. Well, they got the card, but they didn't get their information inside the card. it just had like some whatever. But mine came with the information. I don't know why. But we'll start there. This, you guys, now I did check this box. I checked mine and I checked Sassy's. So I am familiar with what is inside. However, not everything. I just kind of skipped over some of it to make sure things weren't broken, damaged, and, needed leaking all over the place and so forth. This is called the removal. It's the go-to skincare, the removalist. Okay, so listen to this because I definitely need it. I'm hoping that it works. It's a nice enough small trial size, which is a deluxe sample, which is what you get. You do get 5 products in this little makeup bag. You do get to choose one item. So you get to make a choice. They give you like 4 items to choose from, 6, 8, sometimes like that. We just made our choices today for March. But you get to choose one item and then they curate the rest. Listen to what this thing does. And this is what I'm excited about because it's right here that bugs me. My chin and my nose. My pores are clean. They're flushed out. I exfoliate. I do everything. But, and I'm not going to go into details because, some people are like, please don't do like, the pimple doctor, the pimple popper. No, I'm not going to explain it. I have issues and it pisses me off. Anyway, treat your complexion to a weekly detox. Yes, I'm hoping. With this non-irritating face mask, it clarifies and purifies with kaolin, clay, and soothes with zinc oxide, making it safe for all skin types, including sensitive and acne prone. So here's the tip that they give you, which is always in here as well. DIY a mini facial and use the removalist after cleansing and exfoliating your skin. So for the big bottle, it would be $48. Now this probably is worth about $8 if I did the math and checked the, how many ounces or little milliliters or whatever. It's got 20 milliliters in here, so it's got 0.7 fluid ounces. So kind of do the math. The full size is a 65 milliliter bottle, and that's $48. This has 20 milliliters in it. Are you telling me that this thing is, wow, okay. Anyway, let's keep going. All right, so this right here, yeah, want to try it. I want to try it, you guys. Now, it seems as though, I think it was me that got full size, full size, full size, full size. No, that was Sassy. Did you notice when she opened her bag, she probably didn't even pay attention to it. I had the notes sitting down here for her. They're on the bed. I told her to let you guys know she got 4 full-size items in her bag and only 1 deluxe sample. Usually, to those of you that are new to this subscription, it is 1 full-size item. If you're lucky, 2. That might be it might be a brush. And then the rest are all deluxe samples. I mean, they can't afford to give you full-size stuff. And I'm going to show you why. Or how it kind of works. Okay, so this one is Naked Cosmetics right here. This is the peppermint lip scrub. You guys were getting lip scrubs everywhere. So, this one is, it's sealed. Peppermint lip scrub. So it's sealed. Naked Cosmetics. I have tons of their little single eyeshadows. But this is going to be full size. Yeah, $10. Perfect addition to your makeup routine. Massage onto the lips using your finger, then wipe it off with a damp tissue. I did that right before I did my makeup. I was showing you guys all about the Kush from Milk. Stuff is fantastic. It was starting to dry on the tip, and you just wipe it off. Take off the first layer, and boom, you're instant moisturizing again with the little sugar granules. It's fantastic. All right, this one here is the Banana Setting Powder. This is by Bella Pierre. And this one too is full size at $12.99. It says to use a fluffy, like I had right there, makeup brush. Dust gently over any areas you want to set or color correct. I have tons and tons of loose setting powders. If anybody needs any, let me know. Okay, what I'm asking is, if you guys need stuff like this, I will put them in the beauty bundles more often. As a matter of fact, I can put them in the beauty bundles and I'll ask the person who wins, hey, do you need one of these? Because I probably have about 10 jars. And 4 of my favorite are sitting right here. That's not putting the count together. Anyway, you know what I mean. If you guys need them, let me know. If you win the beauty bundles, I'll put them in there. You let me know. And boom, bada bing, bada bing. Shoot, I think I have like 4 of them just hanging in that little thing over the door. All right, let's keep going. This is funny. This I thought was hilarious, okay? Because this is what I chose. This is the MAC Fix It. I thought this was going to be like at least, you know, like that size. Because I have one. I have a little trial size. No, look at this. Seriously. I mean, here's my finger. You guys weren't kidding when you go. This is not a deluxe sample. This is like a thing you find in the middle of a magazine, Vogue or, you know, Cosmopolitan. Pull it out, rub it on your wrist. That's this. Look at this. I mean, come on. How is anybody supposed to? Not that I'm complaining, because I do have the full size ones, but this deluxe sample comes in at with the full size. The full size runs at $30. So this little guy's like what, 50 cents? It's $1. You shouldn't have to buy something like that. You should not have to buy something this small. Lord have mercy. All right, the last item is by Hip Dot. It's their single highlighter in sheer. Hip Dot is good at keeping their stuff nice and protected. Very pretty. I love the pink. I mean, Hip Dot, they're kind of my favorite, you know, like Glam Light, and I could name some of the big ones up there that I have collections of. It's pretty. You guys want me to do a little swatch? It's a highlight and sheer. I have no highlighter on, so I can do a little swatch. Let's do a swatch. Are we doing good on time? Yeah, we're only at 12 minutes. Half of it's going to be edited out. Oh, see, that's not in your face. See, that's not an in your face. It's soft. I like that. Let's put a little dab on. Oh, I know, right? I can't even see it right now. But I'm sure the minute I turn a specific way, it's going to be glowing to the gods. Oh, yeah, there it is. Give a little dabble, do ya, on the nose? Yeah, no. I already have shiny up here, and I've got shiny down here. That's the last place I want to put anything, you know. This is a deluxe sample, and a full size is $24. So this right here lasts you a long time. So those are my 5 products. The only other thing that came inside my bag, I do have a monthly or bi-monthly. I think it's every other month. I do get 4 cartridges for the refreshments because I do have 2 razors. I have 1 in each bathroom. So I make sure. All right, you guys, that is everything. That is the full hearts for IPSY Glam Bag February, the month of love. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think of my stuff? What do you think of my bag? It's pretty, right? It's got the cute hearts. Oh, it's nice. It's adorable. I know. This is like going to go inside the car. Sassy already said, hey, she goes, we're putting it in the car. We're putting it in your purse. It's definitely going in my purse. So that is the cool little thing. My unboxing for February, you guys, on IPSY. Let me know your thoughts about this bag. Let me know what you think about the little items that I got. And I do have something I would like to mention to you guys before we go. The only place I get to mention little things until they give me my darn community tab. Help me get to 500, you guys. 500 subs. Please, 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 please. Tell your friends. Bring them all over. Say, hey, grab a ticket. There's the show. Tell them Sassy is here every Monday. Sometimes she might show up during the week. You never know. But my point is, let's get me to 500. Come on. It can be done. You guys know how to do it. Tell your friends. Spread the word over there on Facebook, on Instagram, wherever you chit chat. If you're in a knitting circle, let them know. After everything that I did, you guys know that I use these. I'm not keeping them. I don't want any of this stuff from Jason Wu. It's just not me. And that's okay. I'm putting all of this stuff back in the package. And I'm going to have a giveaway. Okay? It's called a swatched nearly new, because it's still new, but I used it for the first time. One-time use of Jason Wu. Remember, you need to use water to activate it. No, see, I don't know. Just maybe you'll take more time and look stuff up a little better. Maybe you do like that real soft, gentle, nice tan, you know, real pretty palette. What do they call them? Your canvas, where it just looks like skin. So natural, where the people always say it just looks like skin. Or you might use this as a transition palette. I don't know. It doesn't matter. If it works for you, enter the giveaway, okay? This, no, you would think it would be my color, but it's not. This one, no, you would think too, but it's just really not. Somebody's going to get 2, 4, 6 items. As for that oil, no, I'm keeping the oil. I did like that because it's keeping my shine down. So what's the secret word for this giveaway? Because I'm doing it right now. I'm going to package this stuff up. I'm not going to hide anything. You guys watched the video of me putting my look together. You'll know that I did swatches on the back of my hand. I did use these things barely. I don't have anything. If you are worried about that, afraid of that, then don't enter the giveaway. That's all I can say. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to be rude. Don't enter. But all this stuff has got to go. What is my word that you got to use in a sentence? Natural. Because pretty much that's what it is. It's just all natural. They're just natural shades. So that's what we're going to go with. Natural. I am not going to use the old natural spelling it something weird, something strange. So use the word natural in a sentence down in the comment section. And I'm going to give this one again a week from the day this video posts. And it's yours. Make sure you have not won a giveaway in the last 30 days. Even up to 45 days. I would really appreciate it. I like seeing the different names. As much as I love seeing somebody win, yes, 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 everybody else that's entering, they want to see their name picked too. Anyway, I've enough chitty chatty. All right, that's it for now. I appreciate it. You guys leave me comments down below. And you know what? No, the oil's not going to be in there. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Good luck. Bye.